How to fix YouTube not showing videos. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your YouTube is not showing any of the videos in the field, there might be a Wi-Fi connection issue. To fix it, head back from your YouTube. Scroll down your notification center. Check for your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, switch into cellular data. Or enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. After which, you can go ahead and check out your phone settings. Within your phone settings, scroll down and select on Apps. Tap on All Apps. Tap on the search icon to search for YouTube. Over here, force stop your application and tap on OK. Head to Storage and Cache and tap on the Clear Cache button. This will remove any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing the problem. Last but not the least, open up your Play Store or App Store. Tap on the search icon and search for YouTube. In here, check if there is any available update. If there is any, make sure to update your application. By this way, you'll be able to fix your YouTube not showing videos. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.